It's the largest civil penalty ever imposed by the Department of Transportation, up to $200 million. Takata, one of the world's biggest airbag manufacturers, has been ordered to pay up after millions of its products were found to be defective. 7 people have died, another 100 have been injured after their Takata Airbags exploded. NBC's Tom Costello has more. Tom, good morning.
Jose, good morning. You know, for years, the Takata Corporation sold defective airbags, insisting that they were safe. But now, with 7 deaths and 100 injuries in the U.S., regulators are taking action.
It's one of the biggest fines ever levied by U.S. regulators. The Takata Corporation facing a $70 million penalty for lapses in airbag safety, but the total fine could grow to $200 million if the company fails to comply with a consent order. U.S. investigators say Takata failed to immediately alert regulators about airbag inflators containing ammonium nitrate, a chemical that's potentially unstable and could cause airbags to explode.
To date, these ruptures are responsible for 7 U.S. deaths and nearly 100 injuries.
In 2014, Hyun Tran was killed after her airbag ruptured in Florida. Attorney Hank Didier told me at the time, shards of flying metal shot from the airbag.
What happened here is you can see the shrapnel on the floor here from where the steering column was blown apart backwards, but what went forward towards her are metal fragments from the inflator itself.
It just came right into her face and her neck.
Literally shoots through the bag into her neck.
You don't think that anything like this is going to happen.
In Atlanta, Brandy Brewer lost her left eye after being struck by shrapnel.
You don't think that your airbag is going to malfunction and cause you harm or kill you. And this is something that needs to be stopped.
Now, the government is requiring Takata to phase out the use of ammonium nitrate, and an independent safety monitor will keep an eye on the company. Takata has already recalled nearly 20 million vehicles involving a dozen automakers, and the recall could still expand. In a statement, Takata's chairman says, quote, "We deeply regret the circumstances that led to this agreement. The settlement is an important step forward for Takata that will enable us to focus on rebuilding the trust of automakers, regulators, and the driving public."
In another development overnight, Honda announced it will no longer use Takata airbags in new Honda or Acura models. If you're worried that your car may be part of that recall, you can go to safercar.gov. Safercar.gov. You type in your vehicle identification number, the VIN number. If your car is affected, you can call your dealer at that point and get a repair kit. Back to you.
Tom Costello, thank you very much.